death. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing a hair unboxing. Okay, before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Matter of fact, subscribe right now. I'll wait. I'm still waiting and waiting. Okay, let me stop playing. But anyway, today this hair is Dsoar hair. You probably heard about this company. I know I have, and all these big YouTubers been talking, oh, it's so good. Is it really? Is it really good? Okay, before we actually unbox, let me get into the details. So this hair is Malaysian Jerry Curly, and I got 3 18-inch bundles and an 18-inch closure. I did get all the same lengths. I don't like the layered look where I'll be getting different lengths. I don't like that. This hair cost about, I want to say, $130 to $140. It was on sale, like a Black Friday or Christmas sale, one of those. So it was pretty cheap for all 18s, and it came within 4 to 5 days. I mean, I've seen big YouTubers, for them it come 2 or 3 days, so but 4 days isn't bad at all. So this is the box. I think they just changed the box, I'm not sure, but and on the back it's the hair care. We're not gonna get into that because, okay, so I'm opening the box and this is what I see inside. My closure on top, but let me get into the eyelashes that they sent. I don't wear lashes. This is what I do every day, but these are nice. I might give them to my friend, or if I'm feeling to wear lashes, I'll just put these on. But these are really nice. They're better from the ones they used to send. These would be really thin, so that is a nice touch. I know a lot of people wear eyelashes now, so the eyelashes would be a nice gift for you. So let's start off with my closure. Like I said, it's an 18-inch closure. I got all the same lengths, 18-inch bundles and 18-inch closure. So this is what it, excuse my nails, y'all. I'm in the process of taking them off. You know, when one pops off and you try to take all the other ones off, that's how it is right now. So excuse me. I know it looks ghetto, but I'm not ghetto. Okay, so the closure already comes pre-plucked, and this is the curly pattern. That's what it looks like. Now, off bat, I noticed that this closure is plugged, and I think the knots are bleached, and it's kind of like a medium brown color. So if you are a light skin or white, whatever, if you have a light skin complexion, I wouldn't recommend this for you because this closure is like medium brown. It's like, is it? I think my skin complexion would be okay, but if you're light skin, transparent closures. You see, you know, these hair companies be off the chain with the smells. It be smelling like death. Okay, it smells like hair. I mean, nothing bad. Yeah, nothing bad. And this is a 4x4 closure. Now moving on to the bundles itself. Even though they're all the same inches, I will still show you all 3. So they come with the inch on here and like that. I wish they would have came with, you know, the ethnicity of the hair. Like, this is Malaysian hair. I mean, the texture is obvious, so they didn't need that, but so, and I like that they do come with the hairnet. It keeps the texture maintained. So this is the 18-inch Jerry Curly bundle. It says 100% human hair. So this is very pretty. Yep, smells the same as the closure. just like hair. I mean, yeah, this is pretty. The wefts are pretty thick for an 18-inch. Like usually when you get 18-inch bundles from companies, that's when they starting to thin out. But no, this is thick. Okay, so these are all the 3 bundles put together. Like I said, they're all the same length. So one thing I would say, if you're going for the long look, you probably need 26, 28, even 30 to be real long. This is 18 and it looks like a 16-inch or 14-inch. So this is how it is on me. This is how it would be. I was going for that length. I don't want the long length. I like the medium length. So in curly hair, the length you want, add like 4 inches to it. Yeah, this is really nice hair. To compare it to the closure, let me see. Yeah. It is the same texture. Yeah, it feels the same. This hair is really soft. And I'm still surprised about how thick these wefts are. Usually 18s are less thick. They're on the verge of thin. And yeah. Oh, the bundles also come with a tag on them that says Dsoar hair. And a little scan. Maybe if you scan it, it'll take you to their website. I haven't tried. I don't know. Like I said, shipping took about 4 days to come. It was either 4 or 5, one of them. I think it was through DHL. This hair is really nice. The customer service was excellent. As soon as I ordered everything out, I got the confirmation. And even after I got the hair, they still followed up, asked me how was it, how was the hair. And that was really generous of them. Before they sent it out, they sent me an email to make sure it's what I ordered. And I really like this hair. Like I said about the closure again, if you're light skinned, this is probably not the closure for you unless they have transparent closures, because you can see this is brown. And a lot of companies, from trying to do that, they already pre-bleached the eyes. How do you know your client is dark skin or brown skin? What is wrong with you? The nerve of you. No, but really, if you have a light complexion, then I would suggest getting a transparent closure. And if this company does not have one, I would recommend you going to a company that does have one. But overall, this is really great hair. I really love the texture, and I can't wait to wear it. Okay, well, that concludes this Dsoar hair unboxing. And I will leave everything down in the description box below. The exact link to this hair, the website, the price, and more. Thank you for tuning in, y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You know what? If you didn't end up getting a video, subscribe right now. I'm waiting. I have a day. I'm waiting again. Come on. Let me stop playing. But thank you for watching this video. And if you order from this hair company, please comment down below your experience. My experience was great. This company, out of 10, I honestly give it a 9. The curly bundles are a perfect style for the summer. That's when I'm going to install these. I'm not installing these now, so you probably won't get the update until the summer. But yeah, thank you for watching so much. Bye.